Gotta do the daytime thing. I didn't sleep very well last night. I didn't the last show I went to. I was up every hour at least once, sometimes 3 and 4 times, so that sucks, but I'm not tired. I don't know, I guess you could call me a, I don't know, stupid or whatever, but I get like excited / nervous, you know? But it's all fun. It's all for fun. Just gotta dodge these mondo potholes on my road, and you would not imagine. Maybe some of you would, but some of these will bust your axle if you hit them right. But anyway, I got my back seat down, my car decently clean, and got my test tones ready to hit the meter. So I'm going to pick up my buddy right now, who was actually not going to go. He wasn't going to be at the show. Sorry, I have to shift gears. He wasn't going to be at the show till like 2 or 3, but he called into work today because that's what he does. And I'm going to pick his ass up right now. So I'll see you when I get there. In the car wash. Gotta get my old hoopty washed, even though I got a big dent in the passenger side front. But I keep it clean. It's clean. But I got a big dent, so it's still ghetto. But it's clean. My back seat back here down, I had to cut it to get it down. Huge freaking difference. I knew it would be because I needed the airspace to come up. I got that big box back there now, so I needed that airspace pretty bad. And I charged my battery all night. I had it on a little trickle charger, so it didn't charge it like real well, but it gave it a little charge, so that should have helped. Hope it's not too dark in here. But anyway, in the car wash. Well, just so you know, this is going to be, you know, multiple videos of everything I see today. I'm going to try to get as much good footage and info I can give to spread the DB drag and Bassrace word, because I think this stuff's fun, man. You should try this, even if you don't have a real loud system. Still, you know, go and try it out. You never know. Not everybody has a real loud system that goes there. I don't think mine's real loud. But in my last video, I haven't posted it yet, and I believe it's probably been my last video, or the last video I showed. I showed like a little demo of this, what I got going on, but not with the back seat down. The back seat, man, holy smokes. I mean, part of my back seat was down, but most of it not. It's like a 2-piece. But I'm going to give you guys the first demo, so bear with me. Oh, I need some sound deadener everywhere really bad. I realize, really bad. Chicago. Yeah.
This one will verify that it is correct. So if you ever come back to one of mine, I won't have to re-sticker you again. You're good to go.
Are you the one on Turn Pro?
I'm that red car back there.
ESP Challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm casperskafs, man.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
So, okay, this is only my second time doing this crazy stuff.
All right.
Sealed.
Everything closed tight.
Everything closed tight. Engine off.
Depends on the class you're in.
Street B, I believe. 15-inch kicker. No, one off the yellow box. This goes to my sub. That goes to the mids.
Okay. No extra capacitors or anything?
Nope, no bad caps. I don't like no battery caps.
Yeah, Street B, car turned off. Protect. You're going to actually qualify.
You have one in the trunk.
The right one, we're ready to go. You guys just take it off.
Under the car.
Say stand by. We're ready, set, go. 30 seconds. Do whatever you got to do to.
Is it going to say go right there where it says